Hi, my name is Vanessa van Dijk, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the Inkey's List Salicylic Acid Cleanser, which can be used daily in the morning and or evening, and it is suitable for all skin types. However, I do think that it is best if you have combination to oily, acne-prone skin, since this cleanser contains 2% of salicylic acid, which can help you to gently exfoliate the skin, unclogs the pores and regulates your oiliness, which then can help you to minimize the appearance of enlarged pores. And so when working with this cleanser, it can help you to remove any excess oil, dirt and sweat from the skin and even light makeup. However, if you do wear like water-resistant or waterproof sunscreen and or makeup throughout the day, then using this cleanser on its own to remove it may not be strong enough. And this is where you either just want to use a balm cleanser on its own to make sure that everything comes off, or you may want to do a double cleanse, where you're going to use at first an oil or balm cleanser, and then as your second cleanser, use the Inkey's List Salicylic Acid Cleanser to make sure that you will end up with a freshly washed and clean face. Now, I do want to emphasize that one thing that you have to keep in mind is the frequency. So you can use this cleanser once or twice per day, so morning and or evening. However, since it contains 2% of salicylic acid and can work with your oiliness, and depending on your skin type, you need to adjust it. So I recommend starting off by using it once per day daily. Do this for 2 to 3 weeks. See how this frequency goes. If you feel like you come you come across dryness, reduce the frequency and use it once per day every other day, or even less often throughout the week. However, if you have really oily skin and you feel like, yes, I can use it more often, then of course it's fine to use it once or twice per day daily. And then you need to see how it goes and always keep an eye on your skin, because if too much dryness occurs, this isn't really the goal of this cleanser. It only should help you to regulate your oiliness. And so when using this cleanser, you can use it when washing your face above the sink. However, it is fine to use this cleanser in the shower as well. Not only if you are planning on washing your face with it, but it's fine to use it on your chest and back as well if you should suffer from acne-prone skin on those areas too. One thing that won't change is the way on how you're going to use this cleanser, which is applying it on wet skin. So the first step that you're going to do is now wetting your face and neck if you're doing this above the sink, otherwise your face, neck and maybe chest and back in the shower with lukewarm water to warm water. Then you're using about a coin size amount of the cleanser and massage it onto the skin for at least 60 seconds, so about a minute. And then what you also need to keep in mind is the eye area. So you can use it around the eyes, just make sure to not get it into your eyes. But if you know that you have a sensitive eye area, my best advice would be avoiding it so that you're not going to irritate it, because that's not the point of using a skincare product. It shouldn't irritate nor dries out your skin extremely, because then it gets uncomfortable. So keep those points in mind when working with this cleanser. And I now want to share with you the entire application so that you can see it visually. So let's get started with wetting the skin. Use about a coin size amount. About that much, more or less. Rub your hands together and now gently massage it all over your face, neck, maybe chest and back as well. Now when massaging it all over your face and neck, just make sure to not get it into your eyes. And if that should be the case, rinse it immediately with water. So, and once you have massaged it all over your face and neck for about 60 seconds, you now can go ahead and again rinse it off with lukewarm water to warm water. Now you can do this by just using your hands if you feel like that's enough. However, if you feel like, well, there's still some residue left, or you have used it to properly remove your light makeup, then my best advice would be using a fresh and soft washcloth in between, which you can wet, and this can help you to remove the cleanser a bit better. So now go ahead and take a fresh towel and pat the skin dry. once you're done with washing your face using the Inkey Salicylic Acid Cleanser, you can use this cleanser on its own. You do not have to follow with additional skincare products afterwards if you do not feel the need. However, if you do have other skincare products at home or some of the Inkey products at home and you want to see the entire application, I'm going to link some of the videos at the end of this video so that you can keep on watching and continue with the rest of your skincare routine. Now, this is what I wanted to share with you. I do hope that you enjoyed this video and find it helpful. If you did so, please don't forget to give the thumbs up as well as share it. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in the next one. Happy skincaring. Bye.